Hello guys, so how is it going? I hope everything is well. So in this video I'm going to explain you class 6 maths chapter 1 knowing our numbers. Okay, so knowing our numbers is our first chapter of a Telangana state board and also as a Andhra state board. Okay, so this is our introduction video about this chapter knowing our numbers. So introduction is a very important for the any chapter or any lesson. If you want to understand this chapter very easily, you have to understand the introduction, what is in this chapter. Okay, so if you focus in this introduction lecture, I will make this chapter very easy for you. Okay, so you have to first of all focus in this chapter and lecture, then I'm sure I will make this chapter very easy for you. Okay, so I have one question here, why I'm going to learn this chapter, maths chapter number 1 knowing our numbers. Okay, so knowing our numbers, why we are learning this chapter knowing our numbers. So actually in our daily life we are using numbers. Without number our life is it's not possible. If you want to give someone money, we have to count, we are counting, that's number only. If you want to purchase something, and if you in our daily life you can see addition, subtraction, multiplication, you are using, this is a daily routines. Okay, so this is the using of knowing our number. Okay, these are the things which we have to understand in this chapter. Knowing our numbers means nothing, just generally you can say like whatever number you are using, that's only knowing our numbers. Okay, so in knowing our numbers there is some topic which are already here written, which is related to your chapter only, which is given in your chapter. The first is estimating and comparing number. Estimating and comparing number means nothing but it's like a greater and a smaller number, which is the greatest and which is a smallest number. Greatest and the smallest, that's only. So ascending and descending order, lots of the people know that ascending and descending order, but lots of the children that did not know about that. Appropriate symbol, greater, lesser, or equals to. Number system. In the number system, understand, in the number system, when we talk about number system, there is two types of number system. One is a Indian number system and another is a international number system. Remember, if you want to understand this Indian international number system, you go to our playlist. There is a Indian number system and international system is already explained it very easily. Okay, very easy way you can understand. Otherwise, just see in this video only. I explain this here also. So rounding number, rounding numbers means, rounding numbers you can like, which is the, if suppose there is a 23, what is the round number of that? That will be 20, like that. Okay, now the 7th point is place value. Place value means like which number is in the 10th place value, which number is in 1000 place, which number is in a lakh place. Okay, these are the comes under the place value. Then after 8, the 8 is like you can say large number, like large number. Large number means nothing, it's like what is the large number of 4 digits? Suppose what is the large number of 10 digits, 2 digits, 3 digits, like that. Okay, so these are the some topic which we are going to talk about in this introduction chapter. So let's talk one by one with a brief knowledge and brief concept. Okay, so let's start. So first of all, I'm going to talk about estimating and comparing number. So if you open your textbook, then you see there is a one number, greater number, smaller number, like that, something. One in the box there is one question is given, and we have to find greatest number and smallest number in that. Okay, so let's talk about that only. Okay, so you have to understand this estimating and comparing number. Estimating and comparing number means nothing but it's like greater and smaller number. So if you open your textbook, you can see in the after the second page there is a something box like that, same box is given there. So I just explain this box here with using of greater and smallest number. I explain here. So this is only called as estimating and comparing number. Estimating means like which is greater and which is smaller. Like suppose this is a number is given here, this, and we have to find it which is the greater and which is the smaller in that. I explain you. Okay, so you have to see in this number. If you see in this numbers, okay, here is a greater, no means number. Okay, don't think it's like a no. Okay, it's no, not, it's a number, short form of no. Okay, so if you see your numbers, here is a number is given. It's asking that which is a greater number in that. Can you say that which is a greater number in that? First of all, let's count that. If you count this, 1 10 100 1000 1 10 100 1000, this is a 3000, and if you count this is a 1 10 100, it's a 485, it's a 34. Now count this, 1 10 100 1000 10,000, this is a 13,000. can you tell me which is the greater in that? This is a 3000, this is a 13,000, which is greater? This is a 13,000 is greater in that, so you have to put 13,845. There is no comma. If you want to put comma you can put, but otherwise don't put, because there is no comma in that, so don't put. For the understanding purpose I just put comma in that. So 13,845 is a greater number. In that, which is the smallest? This is a 3 digit, this is a 5, this is 4 digit, this is a 3 digit, this is a 1 2 digit. So which is the smaller? 34 is a smaller in that, so you have to write here 34. Okay, the second is that, see that which is a greater in that. So if you didn't understand which is greater, first just count number. This is a 3 digit, this is a 4 digit, this is a 5 digits. In this, which is 5 digit is always greater. This is a 4 digit, this is a 5 digit will be greater. See, if this is a 4 digit, it's a 1459. This is a 35,851. So which is greater? 35,851. So write 35,851. Okay, so now say in this which is a smaller. So let's count like this only. This is a 3 numbers, this is a 4 digit, this is a 5 digit, this is a 2 digit. Which is smaller? This is 2 digit. 2 digit is a smaller here, so we will write 23. 23 is a very smaller in that, so 23 you will write here. Now same here, let's see, it's a 9,000, it's a 9,535. then after it's a 6,778. okay, 678. okay, so 9,535 is a greater in that. Which is a smaller? 44 is a smaller in that, right? 44 enough. Okay, so let's talk about fourth one. So fourth one, in this we have to find that greater and smallest. Okay, same. So if you count this number, this is a 39, it's a 748, it's a 19,651, this is 700, this is 7,850. okay, so which one is greater in that we have to find, right? So in this is 19,000 is a greater in that number, so you have to write here 19,651. okay, which is a smaller in that? This is a 39 is a smaller in this number. If you understand this, then it's a very easy for you. If you didn't understand, so listen here. I hope it's clear for you. okay, so if you want to write, you just write from I just said. If you want to write. I explained that with some taking some examples. okay, I explain you. okay, so now I read off that. okay, all right, so suppose example take, I just suppose example, take an example. okay, example 84 761, this 3 786, and that's 0 1, and suppose this one not. okay, so I'm asking to you which number is greater in that. Can you say? Let's see the number. First of all, you don't do anything, just count the number, how much digit in that. If you count this 1 2, in this there is a 2 digit, in this there is 3 digit, in this there is a 3 digit, in that also 3 digit, in that also 3 digit, in this 2 digit. I'm asking to you which is greater and which is smaller. If you see 2 digit is greater or 3 digit is greater in that, 3 digit is greater. So if you see, this is also 3 digit, it's also 3 digit, it's also 3 digit, right? Now in this 3 digit, let's see which number is greater, which last, you can say this number, you can say last, or which is the last number is greater, in which number the last is greater. In this there is a 7 is a greater in that, this one is not. In this there both it's equal. okay, in this 3 digits, this is also 3 digits, in this 3 digits, this 7 is very greater in that, both this and this. In this 7 is equal. Now see that second is which second position is greater. In this there is a 6, it's a here 8, so it is a greater in that. okay, so which is number is greater in that? You can say it's like 786 is greater. Now which number is smaller you have to find. See which digit is less. So 2 its digit is very less in here. okay, here 8 digit is very lesser. okay, 34 32 is very less in that. Now see that which is less in that first last digit, this 8 or 3, which is less? Definitely 3 is less. Second digit if you want to see, or you can see if it is be same you can see, otherwise it's leave it. Okay, 34. So which is a smaller in that? 34 is a smaller. Okay, so I explain you here estimating and comparing number by taking some examples, and I explain this very briefly about you. Okay, so suppose let's take, okay, so take an example. Examples take, suppose I just written here okay, I just written here some number, and I'm asking to you which is a greater and which is a smaller in that. Can you find that? So let's take example. This is example only. Let's find out the answer. So can you find the answer? Okay, if you find the answer it's better. If you didn't find that answer, I explain you. First of all, you do nothing. Okay, if you want to count the number you can count, otherwise just leave it. Just see how many digits in that. Okay, let's count. In this only one digit, in this 2 digit, in this 3 digit, in this 3 digit, in this only 1 digit. Okay, now which one you found? You have to find greater number and a smallest number, right? So first of all let's find greatest number in that. So if you see here, which is okay, which is greater in that? Can you say 786, 970? This 3 digits get in both. 3 is greater, right? Both are 3 digits only, right? In the 3 digit, in the first place, see the first place, which is a greater in the first place? Which is greater? This 9 is greater. It means in this whole number which is greater? 962. Now let's talk about a smaller. Which is a smallest digit in that? This 1 and 1 have a smallest digit in that. In 1 so see in 1 which is the smallest in the first place? This first place is a 2. Here is a 2, here 4. Which is smallest? 2 is obviously the smallest, right? 2. Otherwise you just count ones, ones tens, ones tens hundred, ones tens hundred. This is a 900, this is a 700. You can easily understand this 700 is less, 964, 62 is a greater number. According to this number everything is less. 962 is greater number in that. Easily you can write, but otherwise, because lots of the students they can't recommend that. Okay, they did not understand what's going on with number. So for example, this is for that only. If you understand this 962 is greater, 2 is a smaller, so it's very easy for you. You are an intelligent guy. The children who did not know, this is for only that. And if you understand this, don't bore. Okay, this is for the understanding purpose. Okay, so if you are intelligent, then it's better. Go to the next. Okay. So now let's talk about greater and a smaller number. Is it completed here? Now I'm going to talk about ascending and descending order. Okay, so let's talk about ascending and descending number. Greater and smaller, you understand. You already understand. You already understand that. Okay, let's talk about second is ascending and descending order. Right, ascending and descending order. First of all, let's talk about ascending. Ascending means what? Ascending is also known as increasing number. Increasing like that. Increasing. Okay. Ascending is also known as increasing. Alright. So what is ascending number? First of all you have to understand what is ascending number. Ascending means when you are going to bottom to the top is known as ascending. Suppose example, this is a land. Okay, suppose this is, you are here, your friend is here, how will you go there? You have to go with like this. You will go from like this. Okay, your friend house is something different, right? Okay, how will you go? You will go with step by step. Suppose this is the first step, second, third, fourth, fifth, then sixth. You will reach your friend house. Okay, suppose you are here, your house is here, your friend house is here. How will you go? With step by step you are going. Okay, suppose you are in the ground, you want to go top, you want to in the ground state, you want to go top of the roof or anything. So how will you go? Just like that you will go a small to a big, 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 big. If you see here, in that what will happen when you're going to the top to the bottom, the number is increasing, this number is increasing. This is only called as ascending order. Ascending order means nothing like increasing. When a small number, when number is going a smaller to the bigger, is known as ascending. Okay, ascending order. Ascending order means you can say a small to big, a small to big. Okay, ascending order means a small to big. When you are going a small number to bigger number, that is called as ascending order. Suppose example, let's talk. Suppose this is a, take an example, there is one random number is given. Suppose 8, 64, 3, 12, 14, 12, etc. Take this that much number only. So in that number, can you explain me which is the just write this number in ascending order, don't explain, write this number in ascending order. How will you write this number in ascending order? So first of all, you know that ascending order means a small to big. In this, find which is the smaller in that. 8, 64, 3, 14, 12, which is smaller? Obviously 8 is smaller, so write 8 is smaller here, and then cut, otherwise just forget this. Okay, forgot this, otherwise just put a cut sign here. Now this number is end here, we already did, so it's end. Now in this number, see which is a smaller in that, which sorry here, I'm sorry for that here, I didn't see here 3 is there. So in this 3 is a smaller. Okay, 3 is a smallest in that. I'm sorry, really sorry, I didn't see that number. So 3 is a smaller in that. After the cutting of 3, can you say which is a smaller in that? Obviously 8 is a smaller in that. Then after write here and cut that. Then after 64, 14 and 12, which is a smaller? 12 is a smaller, write 12, then cut it. In 64 and 14, which is a smaller? Obviously 14 is a smaller. In the 64, which is after the cutting of 64, which is left? 34, right, like that only. So now if you see this number, this is going small to big, small to big. So this is only called as ascending order. It's only called as ascending order. Okay, I hope you understand. So let's take another example to understand better ascending order. Okay, for the understand the ascending order more better, take another example. Suppose example, I taken some other number like 84, 12, 36, 98 and 24 and 08 and it's like 27, right? Now you have to now write this number in ascending order. How will you write this number in ascending order? Now see, actually first of all, ascending order means like a small to big. So now we have to find a small to big in that. Okay, so can you tell me which is a smaller number in that? 84, 12, 36, 98, 24, 8, 27. Which is a smaller? Obviously the 8 is a smaller in that. So write 8 here. You written 8 here, just cut that, because you written here it's end. Okay, now in this number, which is a smaller in that? 84, 12, 36, 98, 24, 27. 12 is a smaller, write 12, then cut that. Then after 12, which is a smaller in that? 84, 36, 98, 24, 27. Which is a smaller? 24, write 24 and cut that. Then after C, which is a smaller? 84, 36, 98, 27. 27 is a smaller, then cut that 27. Now see, in the three numbers is left, 84, 36 and 98. Which is a smaller in that? 36, write 36 and cut that. Now which is a smaller in that? 84, 98. 84 is a smaller, cut that. Which is left in that? Only 98 is left, just write 98. If you want to cut, otherwise just leave it, no problem. So this, if you see this number, it's going small to big number, a small to big number. When a number going to a small to big, it's called as ascending order. Ascending order. Okay, so I hope you understand the ascending order. So now let's talk about descending order. Okay, okay, so descending order, right? descending order. Descending order means you can say ascending means like decreasing. It's like descending order, you can say decreasing. Ascending is increasing, descending is decreasing. You can say like decreasing, right? Decreasing, right? Okay. Ascending is increasing. Ascending, how it's increasing? Because it's going to small to big. When something is going small to big, it's automatic, it will be increasing only. But when decreasing means big to small. So descending number means nothing, but it's like big to you can say like big to small, big to small. When any number which is coming through the big to, when its number going to big to small, it's known as descending order. Let's take example. Suppose you are here, right? Your friend is here. You reached your friend want to come from here to you. How will that come? Suppose this is 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is the sixth step, right? From here 1 2 3. If you want to go from here, you can go small to big. This is called as, when you go small to big, it's called ascending. When you go like that, small to big, it's called as ascending. But when you coming from there, greater to smaller, big to small, you are coming from here, first 6, then 5, then 4, then 3, then 2, then 1. When you coming that, it's big to small, right? Big to small. You are coming from big number to a small number. That is called as descending order. Okay, that is called as descending order. Okay, so this is called as descending order. Descending order means what? You are going to top to the top. You are in the top, you are coming down, top to the down, and ascending means down to the top. Okay, I hope you understand. So now take an example. And I hope you understand. Big to small. Okay, take another example of that. Okay, so let's talk example. Suppose 7 8 34 96 30 28 and 12. In this, the question tell that write this number in descending order. How will you write in descending order? Let's see. First of all, see which is greater number in that. Descending means big to small. Remember, descending means you are in the top, you are coming down. How will you come? Big to a small number. In this, see which is a greater number. 78 96 34 30 28 12. Which is greater number in that? Obviously 96 is the greater, right? 96 and cut that 96. After the 96, which is the greater in number in that? 78 34 30 28 and 12. This is 78 is a greater number in that. Cut that. Then after see 34 30 28, which is greater in that? 34. Then after which is greater? 30 is greater. Then after which is greater? 28 is greater. Then after which is greater? Which is, there is no number. We will compare to the other number. So last number is 12. We have to write 12. Okay, I hope you understand. Take another example to understand more better. Suppose example, this is example only. Let's take 84 96. Okay, take this example and I tell you write this number in descending order. Descending means big to a small. See which number is greater in that. 96 is greater, right? 96. Then after which is greater? 84, right? 84. Then after which is greater? 72, right? 72. Now which is greater in that? 2 or 46? 46 is greater, right? Then after which number is left? Only 2. So right, this is the known as, it's going, how it's going? Big to a small, small, small. So this number is called as descending order. All right, so let's test a question. Okay, so now suppose I just written here example like 86 72 33 12 3 42. Okay, I written this number and asking to you write this number in ascending order. Write this number in ascending order. So here I written here a means ascending order. Okay, don't think it's like a means some person name, not. Okay, this is a ascending order. A means ascending. Here we have to write descending order, ascending order. This, write this number in ascending order and also as a descending order. Now I'm going to write this number in ascending and descending. Okay, so first of all I am asking to you, which is how will you write the ascending order? Ascending order means what? How will you write ascending? Ascending means big to small to big. Ascending means increasing. How will you anything increase? A small to big. So ascending means a small to big. Okay, so which is a smaller number in that? Can you tell me? This is a 3 is a smaller in that, right? 3. Then after 3, which is a smaller in that? 12 is a smaller in that. Okay, so then after 12, which is a smaller in that? That is a 42 is a smaller in that. Then after 42, which is a smaller in that? That is a 63. Then after 63, which is a smaller in that? 72. After the 72, which is a smaller which is smaller in that? 86 is only left now. If you talk 3 is a smaller in that, then after which is a smaller in that? That is a 12 is a smaller in that. Then after cutting of 12, which is a smaller? 42 is a smaller. After the cutting of 42, which is a smaller in that? 63. After the cutting of 63, which is a smaller in that? 86 and 72, which is a smaller in that? 72 is a smaller in that. Then after which is left? What is left here? 86. Just write 86. So this is our ascending order. We are going to a small to big. This is a ascending order. Descending means big to a small. So in this, which is a greater number, or otherwise if you want to write this descending order, you just you can like this only, reverse by it's all going to, you can write reversely, right? 86, 72, 63, 42, 12 and that's 3. This is a descending order because it's going to big to small. See how, which is the greater number in that? 86. Cut that. Okay, got that. After that 86, which is a greater number in that? 72. Okay, 72 I written. After that 72, which is greater in that? 63 already I written. After that 63, which is greater in that? 12, 3 or 42. 42 is greater I written. After that 42, which is greater? 12 is greater already I written. What is left here? 3 is left. So you can write this. If descending order is given, if you want to write in ascending, write reversely. Reverse write 0, 12, 30, 42, 30. It become ascending order. Or if you write in the reversely only, it's become the descending order. Ascending order, when you write reverse, it's become descending. On descending order, when you write reverse, it's become ascending order. Okay, so I hope you understand this ascending and descending order. Okay, so let's talk about appropriated symbol. Okay, appropriate symbol means actually in that appropriate symbol, the children are mostly mistaken that both symbol. In that both you can say it's symbols. In both symbols they are mistaking lots of, because they didn't understand where use this and where use this, because but most of the people they understand where to use this. When two numbers is equal, we are using that, but where we use this two. Okay, so now I explain where we use this two appropriate symbol. Okay, so let's talk. Okay, suppose I write here some numbers, for example 8 and 6, 2 and 3, 6 and 5, 0 and 8. Then after write here 7, 7, 14, 16, 14 and 28, 20, 19. Okay, so this something question I written here, and I am asking to you which is a greater in this and which is a smaller in this. Okay, this is very easy. Appropriate symbol is very easy, you can easily understand. Nothing in this. Okay, I am asking to you which number is greater in this, this or this. Okay, which number is greater in this, 8 or 6? Which is greater? Obviously 8 is greater. Then which symbol you will use, this symbol or this symbol? So where is a greater number, we will use this symbol. Not forget that symbol. Don't think this symbol, I'm using this symbol is no. You can easily understand. Where is a greater number, the symbol will be changed in that side only. Suppose 8 is greater here, so that symbol is turning that side only, because its mouth is opening 8, because it's a greater. So in 2 or 3, which is greater? Obviously that 3 is greater, then that sign will be that will be changing from here, because greater number is here, so that symbol will be changed, the symbol will be turned here. Okay, so in this number, which is greater? 6 is greater, the symbol will be changed turned into the greater number only. This symbol is not using this or this, it's not. Both symbols are only one symbol, but it's using in the different places, like here or here. Because if the greater number is here, that symbol will be turned like that. If the greater number is like here, the symbol will be turned like that. So let's take, suppose in this 0 and 8, which is greater? Obviously 8 is greater, then symbol will be turned to the 8, because it's a greater. Because of that, the 0 is not greater, because of that it's turned to the here, because 8 is greater. Then 7 is both are equal, so we are not using any symbol, because it's not, 7 is not greater than 7 is equal, so we are using equal symbol here. Now 19 and 16, which is greater? 19 is greater, then symbol will be turned this side. In the 14 and 20, which is greater? 20 is greater, the symbol will be turned that side. In 24 and 19, which is greater? 24 is greater, the symbol will be changing that side. I hope you understand. So don't confuse in that. Where is the number is greater, the sign will be changing that side only. If the number is greater in that side, the sign will be changed. The sign will be changed here. That side it's changed. If the number is greater that side, the sign will change that side only. Okay, so don't confuse in this. The preparatory symbol is very easy. I hope you understand. This is the clear for you. Okay, if you have doubt, you can just tell me. Okay, otherwise you just leave it. I hope you understand. Okay, so that one is a great person who didn't understand. So let's see. You didn't understand that. Okay, I explain here. If you understand, that's better. If you understand this, then you are a great guy. Okay, you can say you are a great person with a great mind. Listen here. So listen. Okay, suppose this is a 24 and it's a 34. Okay, here just simple, I write here 34, and that same number I just changed it. What I do, I just change it. Then after write 42 and 22 and 22. Now can you tell me where we will use this 24 and 34? Where we will use? Obviously in 34, the greater number is 34, sign will change in that side. In 34 and 44, where you can say sign will be changed like that. That sign is not changed like that. Why? Because which is greater? The 34 is greater that side only, but it's changing now its side. Which is greater, 24 or 34? 34. Then sign will be changed like that. So if that person is confused in that, if greater number is like that, then we will use comma. Like suppose 34 is here and 24 is here. If 34 is greater symbol is here, we will use like that. No. Where is the greater number, the sign will be changed that side only. In this, which is greater 34, the sign will be changed in 34. Here the 34 is greater that side, in the left side. Okay, so the sign will be changing in left side. And now in this 24 and 24, which is the greater or smaller? Can you tell me? It's greater or it's greater? Both are greater. Oh, then what will sign I use? Okay, equal to. Now you got it. Okay, so this appropriate symbol is easy for everyone. Okay, I hope. So now let's talk about next one. What is the next? Okay, number system. Okay, let's talk about number system. It's fourth one, no? Number system. For the number system, I will recommend you to go and watch the video. Okay, so whatever video is available, I just provide you video. The video is in the top only. You go, and if you go to my channel, you can see Indian number system. There is one video. You can see, watch this video. You can easily understand the number system. Okay, otherwise I just put the video link on the end. Okay, so otherwise just see I explain you Indian number system and international number system. There is two types of Indian number system. That is the Indian and international. international. Okay, so Indian number system, how we are counting in Indian number system. Let's talk about Indian number system. Indian number systems, Indian number system, crore and crore. Okay, so in Indian number system we are counting that ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore, arab, 10 arab. Okay, these are arab 10 arab, these are coming in Indian number system only. Don't think it will be after the crore, million, trillion will become in the number Indian number system. It's not, it will come in the international number system. International number system, there is a like you can say ones, tens, 100, then after 1000. Okay, 1000, 10,000, then after not 10,000, then after 100,000. Okay, then after 10,000, 100,000. Okay, I'm writing something fast, so don't think it will be, that's 100 only. Okay, then after 100,000, then after million. Okay, then after million, 10 million, 100 million. Okay, 100 million, billion, 10 billion, 100 billion, trillion, 10 trillion, 100 trillion, like that it's go the international number system. Okay, I hope you understand this. Okay, so now let's talk some numbers about that. So in Indian number system you are using commas, right? So like suppose this 28654, I tell you, okay, I tell you use the comma in the number system, and that same number I write here 28654, international number system, use this. Indian number system, how after the how many digits that comma will become? 3 digits. Then after 2 here we have to put comma. No, actually after, listen, if after 3 digits you put in, after the 2 digits we have to put, but this is the last number now, this is the last, so you can't put here. Okay, don't put here numbers, that will be wrong. It's looking how it's look like in your face. If I draw some illustration, how will it look? So like that, in his face don't draw anything. Okay, so listen, this is our Indian. Okay, Indian comma. Okay, so international comma after 3 digits, then after, so there is no 3 digits, so put it like, suppose take another take 6 here, 6 here also, 2 here also, 2. Now after that 2 digit, 3 digits, then after 2 digits, right, then after 2. In that international, after 3 digits, then 1 to 3 digits. Good. Okay, so if you see after the comma is after putting in Indian number system, we put comma after 3 digits, then after 2. Why? Because ones, tens and 100, this is a ones, tens, 100 is not same, it's totally 3 ones. Ones, tens and 100, these 3 are totally different, right? These 3 are totally different. Because of that, after putting comma 3 digits, why are you putting after 2? Because when you talk about 1000, that will be 10,000. Then after number is changing lakh. Because of that, first of all 3 digits, then after 2 digits. Why? Because this 3 is different. Because of that we are putting 3. After that, why we are putting 2? Because we are showing that is 1000, 10,000 totally same. This is only 1000 only now. Because of that, after Indian number system we are putting after 3 digit, then after 2 digits. Okay, an international number system, why you are putting 3? Because international number system, it's ones, tens and 1000, ones, tens and 100, this is a different. Okay, this is a 3 digits. Then after million, billion, then after 1000. Okay, ones, tens, 100, then after 1000, 10,000, 100,000, this is a 3 numbers in that. Because of that we are putting 3 commas in international number system. Okay, don't confuse in that. Let's take another example. Tell one more example for us. All right. 7. Then 0, 0, 0, 0. Radiant. What's your putting here? Okay, so take. Okay. Take. So that's 367000004. Okay, so now write this number in. Put a comma in it. So Indian number system, 3 digits, 2 digit, 2 digit. International number system, 3 digit. After 3 digit, then after you will put here. No, good boy. We will not put here. Okay, so now it's completed here. Commas is I hope you understand the comma. How will you write this? Suppose Indian number system, how will you write? So Indian number system you will write easily like suppose this is a 3. Okay, right? So this is a Indian number system or international number system? Indian number system. How it will be Indian number system? I will write in the international number system, because after that after the digit we can understand. Because international number system you can also write 13,000. Write it, you write Indian number system. Okay, so you will write in Indian number system. Okay, how will you write Indian number system? Let's count. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. How much is it? 10,000. So 10,000 will be this 1,000 only, 1,000 this. Then we will write this both in one way. So then 13. 13,000. This is a 400. 486. 86. Okay, clear for you? All right. So write this number in international number system. How will you write this number in international number system? Tell. What? You? Oh, in my class there is lots of good students are here. Oh my god. Let's count. How will you are counting? You are counting ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000. Okay. So one boy is saying that this is a 786,000. 786,200. Right? You are good. But one more saying that 700,000, 86, 100,000. What is this? 86, 100,000, 700,000. It's not like that. Okay, let's see. First count this. This is a ones, tens, 100 only, na? So international system is something different. You can't understand, but if you understand, this is better for you. So let's see. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 10,000, and after 100,000. How will you write? You have to write like that. 700. You have to write ones, tens, 100. First, forget that. After 3 days, you just count ones, tens, 100. How much is it? 786. Like 786, right? 786. Then after it's how? What is it? It's 1,000. 786,000. Then 200, right? 200. It's 200 only now. So right, 200. Okay, so this is the difference between Indian number system and international number system. Actually, lots of the people they didn't understand after the crore. When you talk, if you tell someone how many zeros in crore, they will tell easily. Okay, how many zeros in lakh? They will tell 5 zeros in lakh. But okay, when you ask how many zeros in Arab, one Arab, they do not. Arab means what? Arabic country. South Africa, South Arab, like that they will say, not South Africa. Okay, so this is something. Okay, so international number system and Indian number system is totally different, but the money is totally same in that one thing. okay, leave that. All right, so now let's talk about next. Okay, so now let's talk about next. Erase it. What is the next after the number system? All right, after the number system, 4 digit is more. Okay, 4 digits number. Okay, this is also very easy. Okay, digits. Don't confuse in digits. Okay, I explain you digit means what. Suppose someone asks that what is the greater number of one digit? I'm asking that greater and a smallest number. No means number of greater. Write the smallest and greatest number of one digit. Can you tell me one digit greater number is what? One digit greater number? Anyone in that class? And if you understand this, you just comment. Okay, you are learning with YouTube, so if you know this, what is the greater number of one digit, two digit, three digit, four digit? So how much you know, you just comment. Otherwise you just comment that only. So listen. So actually, what is the greater number of one digit? Can you tell me here? 9. All right, greater digit is 9. G means greater, S means smaller, and a smaller digit one digit number 0. Okay, now I'm asking you, what is the greater number of two digit greater number? You two digit greater number? 10. A smaller number? 0. That is saying that the greater number of two digit is 10, a smaller number is 0. So listen, this is totally wrong. Two digit greater number is not 10. Listen how it will be. I explain you. Two digit greater number is 99. This is two digit only now, and the smaller digit is 10. Now I'm asking you, three digit greater number and a smaller number. Three digit greater number is 999. A smaller number, just put 1 and just comma. Just 0 0. Don't comma. Okay, don't put comma. Okay, how? Now I explain you here. Listen carefully. One digit for starting on boss. If you count 1 to 0 1 2, this is going on till 9 only. This is one digit only. After the 10, suppose a lot of the people say that like you only, it's 10 is a digit, and no, 10 is a two digit. If you count 1 2, it's a 10 is a two. After 10, 11 12, it's going on till 99. It's two digit. It will be two digit only. It's two digit only now. After the 100, it is three digit. After 100 is three digit. Then after 99 is also three digit. 100 is also 3. 1 2 3 is also 1 2 3 digits. It's a three digits. After the if you okay, listen here only. After that the video is not here. If it is looking for you, it's okay. If otherwise, just see here 100 and 99. These are the three digits only. This is also three digits. Okay, this is a three digits. I just dropped it. Okay, so if you see here, this 0 1 2 9, why I said that 0 is a smaller digit. In the one digit, which is a greater number in that? 0 9, which is one digit. If you say that not 10 is a greater number in one digit, this 10 is a greater number. It's one digit or two digit? It's two digit. Because of that, one digit greater number is always 9. One digit a smaller number 0. Two digit a smaller number 10. Two digit greater number 99. Three digit greater number, that's 999. Three digits a smaller number 100. Lots of the people say 4 digit greater number. So 4 digit greater number 49. 4 digit greater number 1000. Lots of the people confuse in that greater and greater numbers. Okay, don't confuse. How? Because if you see 1 2 3 4, it's also 4 digit. 1 2 3 4, it's also 4 digit. Both are 4 digit. But which is greater? This one is greater. This one is a smaller, and it's a greater one. Okay, I hope you understand this. Greater digits number. Okay, 2 digit, 3 digit. Okay, so okay, write the greater and smaller number of write the greater and smaller number from write the greatest and smallest number of 7 digit, 8 digit, 9 digit, 10 digit, 11 digit, 6 digit, 5 digit. Okay, so this is your homework for you. Okay, for you also, the children who are learning from YouTube, this is a homework for that also, and this is homework for you also. Okay, for whatever how many students in this class, this is a homework for them also. So this is a write this number, write the greater and smallest number of 7 8 9 10 11 6 in digits. Write 7 8 digits here. Okay, digits. You mostly you don't think write the 7, what the number of 7, 7 14, not. You have to write 7 digit greater number, 8 digit greater number, 9 digit greater number, 10 digit greater number, 11 digit greater number, 6 digit greater number, and 5 digit greater number. Okay, so I explain you 12 digit greater number is what? Right, sorry, 11 digit greater number, 9 11, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Count, this is the 11 number greater digit. A smaller digit, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. How much is it? If you count in Indian number system, it will be thousand, lakh, crore, 10 crore, 10 crores. That is the 10 crores. It means it will be 99 crore. It will be 100,000 lakhs, crore. Oh, it's not crore. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crore, 10 crore, 10 crore, Arab, 10 Arab, 10 Arab. It's a 10 Arab. Now it is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. 100,000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crore, 10 crore, 10 crore, Arab, 10 Arab. It's a 10 Arab. It's a 10 Arab, and it's a 99 Arab. Okay, so this is the Arab. Okay, now after the crore there is lots of number in Indian number system. Okay, so it's a 99 Arab, it's a 10 Arab. So this is a 11 digit greater number, it's a 11 digit smaller number. Okay, I hope you understand this. Okay, okay, what is the next in that? Place value of all large number. Okay, place value of large number, right? This is only left. Introduction of large number, or it's completed. Rounding number. Rounding number is left, right? So let's talk about rounding number. Rounding number. Okay, so what is a rounding number? Rounding number means like suppose in our family member, if suppose your parents is giving 10 rupees to you, and he said that go and just bring something chocolate, bring a 7 chocolate for you. You are just go, he said that go, his parents give money to you, and he said that just go and bring a biscuit packet or something else, otherwise take a milk packet. So you are going to the shop, you have a 30 rupees, you are going to the shop and you buy a milk packet. The milk packet is a 27 rupees only. The milk packet is in 27, you have 30 rupees. Milk packet is in 27, you have a 30 rupees and the milk packet price is 27. You are coming to your father, you said that enough, the money is enough, 27 rupees milk packet, 3 is of my okay, corporation, I take corporation, okay, charge, I take it a charge for the going and coming. You taking 3 rupees. And mostly in the when we are in childhood, we will take the extra money, whatever money is left after the buying something, we will take with yourself only. We will not return to our parents. Okay, so this is the round number. Suppose if you go to the market, you will buy something, okay, that is the nearly like 98 97, you will say that everything will be in 100 rupees. Okay, suppose you are going to buy a book, that will be your class book, okay, so it will be like 445, you will take, it will be 450, otherwise some people say that it's 500. Okay, so like that. So it's coming to the round number. What is a round number? It's like you can say it's a round figure. We are taking a round figure of number, right? What is a round figure of 98? We will directly say 100. Okay, so like that, it's okay. So I tell you one thing, the digit, okay, in the round number also there is a 10 digit, 100 digit, 1000 digit. So let's talk about first of all 0 to the 4. The number which is under to the 0 to the 4, it's going reverse, it's going to be 0. Or the number which is above to 5 to 9, it's going up, it's adding one number, it will add one number. And if the number which is less, then the number which is between 0 to 4, The number which is between 0 to 4, it's going to be reverse, back. The number which is above the 5 to 9, it's taking plus 1. How? I explain you. Okay, suppose I just written here 7, 8, 4, 17, 14, 27, 50 is not really, 50, not 50, take 48, 62. Take this example. This 7 is coming between 0 to 5 or 0 to 4 or 5 to 9. It's coming 5 to 9. It means it's going to one more ahead. Then what will it will come? What is the near number of that 7? It's become 10. It's become 10. 8. It's between 0. It is between the 5 to 9. It's also 10. It is 4. It's between 0 to 4. It means it's going to be 0. Okay, listen, if the number between 0 to 4, it's going to be at 0. If number between 5 to listen, it's 0 to 4, 0 only. 5 to 9 is taking plus 1, you can say 10. It's adding 0 plus 1 or 10. One number will be ahead. How? I explain here. It's a 70. It's between how much? It's between 17 is between which number? It is between the you can say it's 7. Let's take 7. 7 is between which number? 7 is between 5 and 9. It means it be going to be ahead. Ahead means आगे. For you can say like the person who know Hindi, if you know, then it will be go ahead, behind that. Okay, like how? This is 1. Add this 1. 1, it will be 2, and this will be 0. This is 14. It's going to downwards. 1 will be not changed, but the number whatever here is will be 0. Let's 27. 7 is where? 5 to 9. It's going ahead. Plus 1. So here is 27. Where you will add 1? This is 2. You have to add plus 1. It means 3. That will be 0. 30. Remember. And this is 41. What will? It's going to be ahead only. That's 4. It's become 5. And this is 0. 62. It means it's going behind. That number will be not changed, but whatever is it between 0 to 4, whatever number is that, it becomes 0. It's become 0. Or whatever number between 5 to 9, it's going ahead plus 1. Okay, and the number will be zeros. Alright, so this is 62. The number will be 6, but this number is 0. Why? Because it's less than, it's between 0 and 4. The number will be 0. Alright, I hope you understand. Okay, so like that only I write in here 782 84 142 7324. Write the 100. Suppose in the exam what is, write the 10 digit rounding number. What is the 10 digit rounding number? 1's 10th. This is 8. It is between where? It is between 0 to 5 to 9. It's between 5 to 9. It means where it will be? It will be plus 1. So who will plus 1? The number which is behind them. This is what? This is number what? It's 82. It means it is 8. How much number it will become? 82. This is 8 only now. In the front number will be adding 1. This is 82. It will be, we have to understand this. We have to plus 1. Where will be plus 1? The number which is near to the 8. Here we have to put 800. Okay, this is 84. What is the 10th? Or let's 1. What is the 1? 1's rounding number. 1 is kitna? 1. How much 1? What is the position of 1? 1 is what? What is the digit present in one place? 4 only. What is the rounding number of 4? 4 is between 0 to 1. It will be 0. So it means the number it will be not changed, but that will be changed. 80. 142. Let's talk. I think change this one place. What will be? One place will be it's behind that. It means 1580. If talk about one place, if you talk about second place, what is change the second place? So that is 46. What is 46? 4 is between where? It's 0. Then it will be 100. The second place, if you change first place, then it will be 150. If you change this first place, 150. If you change the second place, that will be 100. There is a difference in that. Okay. All right, no problem. Okay, now so 146. What will be the second position? If you change the second position by rounding number, 46, it is 4. What this you have to see 4. Second position is 4 only. Now you have to see 4 is between 0 to 4 only now, so it's going to be 0. So 1, where is 4? You put 0, and then after whatever digit here will be 0 only. I'm asking here, what is the third position of that number? So third position is between this only, 3. It become 7 0 0 0, right? Apart from this, if that number only, listen here, 7, but here apart from 3, behind 0 to 4, after if I put here 5, then after 2 only and 4 only, I just I change that 1000 place. I change 1000 place. Now I'm asking, what will the 1000 place round number, what will the 100 place round number? Because that's 100 place only. Okay, so this is 5, right? So 5, it become 9, between 9 to 9, between 5 to 9. It means it's the number will be adding plus 1 here. So here it will be add 1. It is 7. It become 8. Then after all number will be change into 0. That 5 will be 0 0 0. Listen, in this 3 I change. It's going downwards. Here I just 5 change. It's going plus 1. It will be 8. This is 8000. This is 7000. This is a interesting way of the rounding number. Rounding number is a very confusion. If you study rounding number, you get lots of the confusion in that. Okay, don't worry. I will provide a PDF about that only. Okay, so rounding number is very easy if you understand this. Okay, I hope it's clear for you. All right. So let's talk next. What is the next is that? Let's talk about next. All right. Okay, uses of comma is place value of large number. Okay, like place value of large number is clear. Okay, so I think everything is clear. So place value, right? Place value of a large number. I just write here NO. NO means number only. So just take one marker from here. Okay, suppose I just written here. Okay, right. Expanded and expanded form I didn't expand you. Suppose, listen here. This is a place value. Take it in behind it. And it's very easy. If you understand this, expanded and short form. Expanded and short form. Let's understand expanded and short form. Suppose I just written here 7865, and I tell you expand this number system. Expand this number. How will you expand? How will you expand? Okay, I explain you. Don't worry, I explain you. This is the expanded form. You have to expand. So you don't do anything. Just count. 1 tens 100,000. How much is it? This is 7,000. Right? 7,000. 1 tens 100,000. 7,000. 1 tens 100,000. This is 7,000. Okay. Then after put plus. Okay. After that 8. 8 is where? After 7 is completed, 8, right? 8 is 1 tens 100, it's 800, right? 800. That's 60. 1 tens, this is a 60. Tens. Then after 5. This is expanded form. Otherwise, this number you can expand like this also. This is 7, right? 7. How many digits will be here? 1, 2, 3 digits. Put 3 zeros. Then after 8, right? 8. Then after that number, how many digits? 1, 2 digits. Put 2 zeros. After that 6, right? 6. After that, how many digits? Only 1 digit. Put 0. Then after 5. After that 5, how many digits? There is no digits. That is the expanded form. Let's take another example. Okay. Okay, so this 865 something number, you have to expand it this. So you can expand one way, otherwise you just count ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, sorry, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 86 lakhs. Okay, this is 86 lakhs, right? 86 lakhs and something. Don't do. Simple way, simple. This is it, right here it. After that, how many digits it? Believe me, count digits. After that, how many digits? Just count the digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 digits. Put 6 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. Then after plus. Enough. 8 is completed. And after 6, write 6. After the 6, how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. Write 5 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After that 5, write 5 here. After 5, how many zeros? 1, 2, 3 zeros. Put 3 zeros. After that 4, how many digits? 1, 2 zeros. Put 2 zeros. After that 6, how many zeros? 1 zeros. Put 1 zeros. After that 3, how many digits? No digits. No digit. Just like write 3. Enough. This is the expanded form. Suppose. Now how will you explain this? Here is a 0. I'll explain you. Here 8. 1, 2, 3 digits. After that, how many digits? 3 digits. Put 3 zeros. After that 4, how many digits? 1, 2 digits. Over. After that 0, how many digits? 1, 2 digits. Put 2 digits. Otherwise, if anything anywhere in 0 here, listen first of all. 8 after digit 3 I written. After 4, how many digits? 2 I written. 0 after how many digits? 1 digit I written. After 6, 1 nothing is, just I write 6. Just I write 6. Okay. After the 1 hour, I'm just telling you only. Okay, just listen. It's last one only, so don't worry. So actually, if you like this also. So like how many digits after 1, 2, 3 digits? Put 3 digits. After that, if you want to write 0, you can write. Otherwise, if you don't want to write 0, if anything anywhere of the number, if 0 will be there, if you want to write 0 in the expanded form, you write. Otherwise, if you just leave that also, this doesn't matter. If you add this, it will be 8606 only. Same, but if you add this also, that will be 8606. How much? That much answer. If you add this both number, the answer will be same only. Okay, so if you want to write 0 in the expanded, you can write. Otherwise, if you don't want to write, don't write. It doesn't matter. Okay, so let's take, if you know in your textbook, mostly it's written in that form only. It's written in that form. Now let's talk about its expanded form. Now let's talk about short form. Okay, suppose this is given here. Okay, this is number is given in expanded form. Now we have to write this number in short form. How will you write this? Okay, do you have any answer? Do you have any idea about anyone? Have you ever have you idea? Okay, no, how are you doing in that expanded form? Now this is expanded form. It's not we have to expand. This is already expanded only. Where you will expand this? Okay, you can't expand. Okay, so now you have to write this in short form. How will you write? Great person with great mind. What about you? Alright, so if you have any idea here, so you just explain. Okay, so otherwise you also focus here. So in this there is nothing in that. Okay, so this is expanded expanded form. We have to write in short form. How will you write? I explain you, just listen. Nothing you have to do, just see the digit, how many digit it will be. Just count 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a 4 digit. Write me down the 4 digit. Count this, how much digit? It's 3 digit, it's 2 digit, it's 1 digit. Now see that this number is in the way or not. It's like in proper way. Otherwise in the between there is a missing or not. It is missing or missed or not. Okay, if you see 1, 2, 3, 4, it's proper way. There is nothing number is missing in the between the 1 to the 4. There is no number is missing here. So 1, 2, 3, 4 is a proper way. So if you understand this is in a proper way. Just like simple. What is there here? 8. Write 8. Then after here 7. Write 7. Then after 2. That's enough. if you see that this is in proper way, like digits will be same, 1 2 3 4, it will be same, so just write like that. Otherwise take another example, I explain you. Now see here, how will you do that? Just this is 1 digit, 2 digit, this is 3 digit, 1 2 3 4, this is 4 digit, it's in line only. Like what is this? 7, this 6 2 3, this is short form. Okay, so take another example, like suppose this number is, so how will you write this in expanded form? Let's say this is 1 digit, this is 2 digit, this is a 4 digit. So in this 1 to 4, till 1 to 4, there is a 1 digit is missing. Which digit is missing? That 3 digit is missing here. Okay, so what will you do here? So you will do nothing, just write 7. This is 4 digit, 3 digit is missing. Which digit is missing? Only 1 digit is missing here. So whenever 1 digit or 2 digits is missing, apart from that you have to put 0. If here 1 digit is missing, I put 0 1 0. If here 2 digit will be missing, I will put 2 zeros. Then after 2 is clear, write 7 2. After that all number is clear, right? Put like that. Okay, so take another example. Okay, so can you tell me how will you write this? Let's take, this is 1 digit, this is 2 digit, this is a 5 digits. In this, how many digits is missing? This 3 and 4. There is a 2 digit is missing in that. 3 and 4 is missing. How many digits? 2 digits. Like how will you write? Right. 7. 5 digits I written. How many digits is missing? 2 digits. 4 and 3 is missing here. 4 and 3. So after that what will you write? 4. Apart 4 place you have to put 0 and 3 because 2 digit is missing here. So I just write 2 zeros. Okay, then after 2 is here. 2 is already given. So you have to write 7. 2 is, what is 2 digits? That's 7. Then after 1 digit is 1. So this is our short form of that number. Okay, so now our video is end here, and thank you. This is something. Okay, so now whatever our chapter, this class 6th chapter 1, knowing our numbers for the Telangana state board and also the Andhra Pradesh, this chapter is totally ended here. So whatever present in this chapter, this is our introduction chapter of knowing our numbers. So in the next video I'm going to explain exercises of this chapter knowing our numbers. Okay, I hope everything is clear for you. So this chapter is very easy. Okay, so I think it's whatever in this chapter I already explained you. So I hope you understand this. Okay, so we will meet the next video. Jai Hind.